Red dye number 3. It's in thousands of foods, drinks, medicines that could be in your cabinets. Probably are, to be honest. From colorful breakfast cereals to maraschino cherries to cough syrup, your favorite candies. Well, now the Food and Drug Administration is banning red dye 3, which some food safety advocates say is linked to cancer. NewsNation weekend anchor Anna Koyman joins me now. Anna, you're probably the healthiest person I know, so you must have just jumped for joy yesterday. What products will be impacted by this new ban, and also why now, all these years later?
Yeah, good morning, Markie. Good morning to everybody at home. Well, red dye number 3, as you just laid out, is in a whole host of drinks, foods, and even medicines that Americans really consume regularly. But our producers have been scouring ingredients lists, and so you may want to take a look at your screen. Candies like Brock's candy corn, Ring Pops, they're going to be having to switch up their formulas. And then there's strawberry ice creams and some frozen yogurts. Some yogurts you may reach for in the morning too, and a long list of juices and sodas. And you can't forget about the savory stuff either. Take a look at this. Imitation bacon bits, Jack Link's beef and cheddar sticks, and some yellow rice all have red dye. So the name is right there on your screen. Even some medicines, vitamins are also on the hook. And so if you want to take a look at this Pediasure Grow and Gains ready to drink strawberry shake, our producers even found, and really, Markie, the list goes on and on. But what people really seem to be shocked at about this, if you start to look through social media, is that the very same dye that we have been consuming was actually banned in cosmetics like lipstick and blush that goes on top of the skin since 1990, when researchers found red dye number 3 can cause cancer in rats. Now, the FDA has downplayed that study and says they have no evidence red dye number 3 causes cancer in humans, which is, of course, the biggest cause of concern. Meanwhile, critics say this recent ban on one specific type of artificial food dye does not go far enough.
The more we expose a sensitive body to all these artificial food dyes, just to begin with, the sicker we're going to be, the more illness we're going to have, the more medications we're going to be on, and the earlier we die.
So companies are going to have to remove red dye number 3 by the year 2027. Any imported goods will have to follow the same rules. And NewsNation did reach out to several brands that are impacted by this ban, Markie. They say they are working actively to reformulate some of their products that are on the store shelves still today.
Yeah, this is big news. It makes me rethink those conversation candy hearts, you know, that I love at Valentine's Day.
I love them too.
Yeah,
I know. It's something we grew up with, you know?
Totally. Yeah, so big changes here in a couple years for the foods, some of them that we love. Anna, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.